Hey guys, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. So good to have you back. Hope you are doing great today. I'll be showing you how to make carrot milk pudding. It's a very simple recipe that you will love. So I have 2 carrots here, which we are going to be using to make the carrot milk pudding. So what we are going to do to start with, we are going to start by cleaning the carrots. Okay, I'm just going to start by rinsing the carrots. Then I'm going to use the knife to remove the leaves. After that, I'm just going to scrub the carrots with my hands. I'm just going to use a sponge to scrub the skin of the carrots. Next, I'm going to peel off the skin of the carrots using a vegetable peeler. Once I'm done cleaning the carrots, I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Next, I'm going to bring the cut carrots into a medium-sized pot. Add some cold milk into it. Next, I'm going to place the pot on heat, then place the lid over it and allow it to boil for 10 minutes until the carrot is soft. I have let this to boil for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding some roasted peanuts. This is going to help improve the texture and the flavor of the carrot pudding. So I'm just going to stir this around. 10 minutes later, I came back to this again and I'm checking with the fork. The carrots are soft enough. I'm going to turn off heat. Once I've brought this off from heat, I'm going to turn this into a bowl, then leave it to cool down completely. Once the boiled carrot has cooled down completely, I'm just going to bring this into the blender. Next, I'm going to blend this until it turns out very smooth. After blending this and I have a very smooth consistency like this, I'm going to pour it into the same pot. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Two tablespoons of powdered milk. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of gelatin. After adding the gelatin, I'm going to stir this and allow everything to combine. Next, I'm going to place this on heat again to boil. I will continuously stir this on medium heat until it starts to boil. Once this has heated up a little, I'm going to bring it off from heat again. Next, I'm going to empty this into a plastic mold. I'm going to place the lid over this, then place this in the fridge. I'm going to leave it to set for 2 to 4 hours. 4 hours later, this has firmed up. Okay, I've taken this out already. What I'm just going to do next is to use a knife to release this from the side of the mold, just like this. This will make it easy to flip. Next, I'm just going to turn this over. You can easily serve your carrot pudding in a bowl with a spoon, but if you want to go fancy like me, you can just cut these with a knife into fine shapes. Okay guys, this is it. It looks delicious and I know you're gonna love this. I hope you try this out and you can easily share this with your friends and loved ones. This was how to make carrot milk pudding with just few simple ingredients. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Until next time, have a nice time. Bye.